Hello everyone, my name is Daniel Chandran and I'm going to show you my first Android app. Okay, here's my main activity and this is the code I've done it. So based on that, before you need to do the code, you need to change the ID name first. For example, for the first number, you need to write the first num edit text. Then find view by ID to do an edit for an edit text. So if I change the numbers, I can change the numbers anytime with the first number and the second number. For the text view, the text view is more to see the view of the result. And after that, once that the button will click the add number, the integer number 1 for the first num edit text, for the number 2 second number edit text, enter the result, and the result will be coming out after I have added two numbers from the launch app. So let's run. So I'm going to run the app now. Okay, here I have launched the app. It will take some time to respond it because of my Android Studio is very slow to respond. But the good thing is I've launched the app from these virtual devices. So uh, let's test it out. Okay, let's start by small number. So I decided to pick 4 for my first number, and the second number will be 5. Okay, there it is. 4 plus 5 is 9. Now I'm going to add another number. Let's say big numbers 20 plus 60. And I get 80. Now even bigger number 159 plus 141. It will be 300. Okay, this is how I've created the number I did before the let given, and I also developed a decimal number for this. But I have a little problem with the decimals all that. When it happened, hold on, it says stop. This is what happened. For those who have a decimal number result, uh, do yeah. This is how I do. So